Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to make this Ubuntu in a full screen. Now you can see the screen is very small. We can do few things here. Click on devices, click on insert guest addition CD image. It will ask you VBox GAS 7.0.14 contain the software intended to be automatically started. Would you like to run it? Just click on run. What it will do, it will try to install the guest addition so that you can open it in a full screen mode. Okay, just click on run. So as soon as you run that, so it will ask you for the password. Just give the password which you have already created in the beginning. So once you have done that, click on authenticate. Now this will start installing all the things for you, additional modules, then it will install few more things. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, now try to restart the system or power off, and you can restart it again. Click on power off for now. So as soon as you power off, open the VirtualBox again, power it on again. Now here I have powered on. Now you just click right control plus F. So once you click on right control plus F, it will open in a full screen mode so that you'll get an experience like you are working on a Windows machine, just like that you're working on an Ubuntu OS. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye.